Welcome to Kaman.ai. Today we'll show you how to securely connect your Google account to automate your daily tasks. Ask the agent to list emails from your Gmail account. The platform will ask you for authentication to your Gmail with mail, calendar, and drive access. Once given you, the agent has access to your mails, drive, and calendar. It's controlled via credentials, which you can remove anytime from Settings credentials. All results are redacted and checked for PII information, and no model will get your personal information details. Now here the agent has your calendar details. The agent can also access your drive, help you search them, download them, upload to them. Use Kaman.ai to securely orchestrate your Google accounts via AI.